Okay, good day everyone. My name is Marhil Yolanda and I've grouped with Jan Earl Ambot. In this video, we're going to discuss a compartmentation and its effect on watertight integrity. What is compartmentation? Compartmentation refers to a division of a ship, hull, and interior spaces into discrete watertight sections or compartments. These compartments are created using watertight bulkheads, deck, and partitions, which prevent water ingress from spreading throughout the ship in event of flooding or damage. The primary goal of compartmentation is to improve the ship's survivability by limiting the extent by flooding or maintaining buoyancy and ensuring stability of the ship. Okay. Ano ang compartmentation? Ang compartmentation ay tumutukoy sa pagtunga sa lawas sa barko o panloob o sa loob nga espasyo sa magkahiwalay na mga seksyon o compartment na di masudlan og tubig. Ang mga compartment nga gihimo kini nga gamit ang watertight bulkheads, deck, and partitions nga nagpigil or nagpugong sa pagsud sa tubig gikan sa pagkalat sa tibok barko kung magaling mo baha or maguba ang barko. Ang kinunhan nga pangunahing layunin ng compartmentation kay para mapabuti ang survivability sa ka ship or barko sa pamamagitan paglilimita sa lawak sa pagbaha imong pugnan o kanang taman sa baha ag pagpapanatili sa buoyancy or afloat sa barko o katatagan o kalig-on sa barko. How compartmentation works. Number 1. Watertight bulkheads. Vertical barriers that divide the hull into sections, creating watertight compartmentations extend from the keel to the main deck to ensure complete separation. Number 2. Watertight decks. Horizontal barriers that adds another layer of division and help contains flooding vertically. Number 3. Tight doors and hatches allow movement between compartments while maintaining water tightness when closed, essential during emergencies to contain flooding. 4. Subdivision load line determines the maximum perceivable draft based on the ship ability to remain afloat with compartments flooded, damage stability or requirements.
Effect of compartmentation of waterline integrity. Containment of flooding. Compartmentation limits water increase to a specific section of a ship, preventing the spread of others area. This containment allows the vessel to retain buoyancy and reduce the risk of sinking. 2. Enhance stability by restricting water to designated compartments. Compartmentation minimize weight shift that could reduce stability, prevents a significant rise in a center of gravity, and helps maintain in a departure metacentric high. 3. Improve damage tolerance. Ship with robust compartmentation can survive breaches to the hull as flooding is confined to a limited number of compartments. This particularly critical to collision, grounding, or battle damage in naval vessels. 4. Compliance with damage stability standards. Compartmentation ensures compliance with international regulation such as the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, and Classification Society requirements. These regulations often define the ship survivability with one or more compartments flooded, one compartment or two compartment flooded standards. Compartmentation. Flyable length. The maximum length of a ship that can't be flooded with, causing it to sink or capsize. Compartmentation ensures that the floodable length does not exceed safety limits. Margin. Align 76 mm 3 inches below the top of the bulkhead deck. Compartmentation must ensure that water does not rise above this line in damaged condition. The percentage of compartments volume that can't be occupied by water. Low permeability compartments are more effective at limiting flooding than high permeability ones. The sequential flooding of adjacent compartments due to breaches or failure of waterline boundaries affect compression halts programs flooding by creating independent section.